Why you should start selling on Amazon today. In this video, I'm going to share with you some facts that will blow your mind and clear your concepts, right? Because today, when I'm making this video, in past month, according to the survey, more than 2.7 billion people visits Amazon website in only 1 month. So imagine how much is the total population of the world and how much people visits Amazon website in past month. So in reality, Amazon is the biggest marketplace in the world where people buy and sell things. So if you will be the part of that marketplace and if you start selling your product, so you will be having the opportunity to showcase your product in front of 2.7 billion people. Like, I know it's not a magic, like it's not like that you launch your product tomorrow and your product can actually reach out to 2.7 billion people. It's not like that. But obviously, if there is a big marketplace and if there are too many people visits every month, so that means they are here to purchase. So in that big market, if you are allowed to sell your product without paying too much fee, then I don't think so anything will be better than this for you. Because if you take an example of any physical market, physical shopping mall, so in that mall, if you want to open a shop, so you need to pay the rent of that shop, you need to pay for the bills, utility bills, you need to purchase the inventory, you need to hire the staff, and then you need to do a lot of things. So all of that thing will cost you a lot of money, maybe around $50,000 or more than that. So after investing that amount of money, you will only be able to show your product to some limited people who are visiting that mall. Like that mall will be in one country, will be in one city, will be in one area. Like even not the whole population of that city will visit that market, right? But on Amazon, you have to only pay $40 per month to get the chance to show your product to the world. And Amazon started from USA, but right now it is expanding on all of the countries. Like right now it is present in USA, Canada, Mexico, Australia, in whole Europe, like Spain, Germany, Italy, UK, and so on. So no matter from which part of the world you are, you can start selling on Amazon from today with very less investment. And I know that there are many rumors out there like Amazon is not good for you. In Amazon, whenever someone puts the money, they will lose the money. So that is not the truth, because all of those people who are saying this thing on internet, they are having bad experience for sure. But the main reason behind those experience is they don't learn that properly. They don't know properly how to do product research, how to do product sourcing, how to list product properly. They don't learn or understand the algorithm of Amazon, like how this whole system works, what is the core concept, and how to market your product, how to group the audience, and how to get the sales. So obviously, if without learning these things you start selling on Amazon, so you will lose the money 100%. But if you learn all of these things, just like a university, like in university, you take the admission and 4 years, you study around 50 subjects one by one in semester, step by step. So when after 4 years you graduated, so you're having the complete knowledge about all of those 50 courses that you have studied, right? So whatever profession you choose in the world, like you become a doctor, you become an engineer, and so on. So you have to first study that properly, and then you have to get the experience, and then you will become a professional. So Amazon is just like that. But believe me, as compared to other fields, other jobs, other business or professions, Amazon is having a big advantage, and they are having too much benefits. Like you can learn Amazon as per your convenience in your free time. Like you don't have to enroll in any university, you don't have to give too much time. Number one benefit is that you can learn it free of cost from my YouTube channel in detail, step by step, in very less time. Like if you're doing a job, if you're studying, or if you're doing anything, if you spare 1 hour daily from your daily routine and you start learning Amazon from my YouTube channel free of cost 1 hour daily, then after 2 or 3 months you will be having a complete knowledge about Amazon step by step. Like what product to choose to sell, from where you have to source the product, how you have to market the product, how you have to make your listing good. So your product listing will be too much attractive and it will reach out to the audience, correct audience who want to purchase your product, right? So it's super easy, super simple. All you have to do is you have to put some time to learn it properly, and all of the tips and tricks and strategies which you need to follow to make your product super successful and to make more profit and more money. Believe me, I have explained you all of these tips, tricks, and strategies in all of my free videos. So you can learn all of this without investing any money or without paying a single dollar. All you have to do is you have to change your mindset. You have to train your mind to learn that, to put the focus on that, and after working for 6 months or maybe 1 year maximum, you will be able to make your brand a big brand, and you can earn that amount of money which can replace your job. So if that business can actually replace your job after 1 year, so imagine you will be having a financial freedom and location independence. So if you're having a time, if you're having a money, and if you can move anywhere around the world, so imagine what you can do is your mind will be fully fresh every time, and you can actually live your dream life as per your ease. So all of those points which I have explained you in this video are 100% true, and due to these points I think that Amazon is the best in the world, and you cannot find other business just like that which can give you more time flexibility, more profit. You can do it from anywhere and it will give you more options. So right now at this point I am sure you are having a complete understanding about why Amazon is best out there and why you should start learning it from today. So go there, start learning it from today from my YouTube channel, and after watching any video, if you have any confusion, you can just comment on that video, or you can just post your question in my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online, and that will be the biggest benefit for you. I will answer your question personally in my Facebook group in less than 12 hours. So if you learned it, if you start your journey, so you can actually have my support in your Amazon journey, so you can make your brand successful. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.